Okay, in this example, the dog would be the predator and the squirrel would be the prey, because the dog is eating the squirrel.
This is a pendulum because it is a rope swinging on an axis with a weight at the bottom. This is potential energy because he has the potential to slide down the slide. This is kinetic energy because he's sliding down the slide.
A physical property of the slide is that it's white. This is part of the water cycle because it's precipitation, which is any form of water coming down. Am I saying it? This is weather because it is raining and it's windy.
This is pollution because the car is doing combustion and letting out carbon dioxide.
I'm a multicellular organism because I have many cells throughout my body.
This is part of the carbon cycle because whenever you breathe in oxygen and let out carbon. This is a chemical change because I am lighting a piece of cardboard on fire. These thorns are parasites to this tree, as you can see, because it's taking nutrients from it and going to start infecting it to make it a thorn tree. This is some sediment from the bottom of a creek. As you can see, it's just mud mixed with little rocks. This is weathering because the water that is going by the side of the bank is being washed away. This is erosion because the water is taking the sediment and leaves downstream. This is deposition because, as you can see on the inside of this turn, sediment has dropped because the water is moving slower. This is part of the nitrogen cycle because when cows poop, their poop is used by farmers to put on the fields to put the nitrogen back in the ground for the crops. This is budding because we took the branch of a tree and some roots from the same tree and put them together so another smaller tree could grow. This is photosynthesis because the leaves of this tree are going through photosynthesis and making glucose for the tree. This is thermal energy because the match is producing heat. Go.
This is petroleum. It's a non-renewable resource because it takes millions of years to come back.
This is showing a renewable resource, which is wind, because it is always going because of the heat of the sun.
This is a physical change because you're not changing the substance, you're just changing the physical appearance.
This is combustion because I'm taking the green tip on the match and lighting it on fire. This is the law of universal gravity.